Question number 2. The astrophysicist argues that our books and films about interstellar space travel are a form of mass what? So we have to fill this blank using one of these 5 options. And that only a miracle on a scale heretofore unseen could allow a human being to voyage to even the closest star in another solar system. Alright, before you go to the options, you have to be clear that what is being asked and what is being told here, okay? Because usually students go with the innovation because they are astrophysicists and they are solar system and all that, something new. So they think that it's an innovation. But innovation would be if the author is appreciating something, admiring something. But here, it's criticizing the books and films. Why? Because it says that the astrophysicist argues that these books and films about interstellar space travel. Interstellar space travel is like galaxy to galaxy travel. Okay, so what are they? Okay, mass what? And now it's telling us that only a miracle on a scale heretofore unseen could allow a human being to voyage, to journey, to travel to even the closest star in another solar system. We can't even go to the nearest solar system. Only a miracle can do that. So how these films and these books show us interstellar space travel? So this is totally unrealistic. Astrophysicist argues that this thing, interstellar space travel, is a mass what? So unrealistic thing, okay? So not innovation, okay? Delusion, that is the closest thing that is to unrealistic thing, okay? Dementia is something related to the forgetfulness, it's a disease, so it's not the option here. Catastrophe means some destruction, some big destruction. So no, it's not working here. Hysteria is you are so excited, dramatically acting. So no. So delusion is the closest here that shows that this is unrealistic. Okay. Now we'll read it again. The astrophysicist argues that our books and films about interstellar space travel are a form of mass delusion, and that only a miracle on a scale heretofore unseen could allow a human being to voyage to even the closest star in another solar system. Okay, so delusion is the right answer.